Greetings to all. This is Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the windows and viewports in computer graphics. First one, windows. The world coordinate area selected for the display is called the window. In computer graphics, the window is the graphical control element. It consists of the visual area containing the sum of the graphical user interfaces of the program it belongs to, and it is framed by the window decorations. The window defines what the portion of the virtual world you want to be rendered. Next one is the viewports. Definition for the viewports are an area on the display devices to which the window is mapped is called the viewport. A viewport is a polygon viewing region in computer graphics. The viewport is an area expressed in rendering the device specific coordinates. Example, pixels for the screen coordinates in which the objects of interest are going to be rendered. And then fourth point is the viewport defines where the render image of the portion will be displayed on the screen. Next one, we have the difference between the windows port and the viewport. Here we have the window. Next one is viewport. That is the image. The small box is defined behind the image. The small rectangular box defined as that windows. Here that viewport, that is inside the windows we have that one rectangular box. Inside the rectangular box the images are shown here. That is information outside the viewport is clipped away. Inside the viewport the images are shown here. That this is the difference between the windows and the viewports. Next one, windows and the viewport differentiation. Window port, that is window port is coordinate or specially selected for the display. Here viewport is the display area of the viewport in which the window is perfectly mapped. Second one, region created according to the world coordinates. Here in viewport, region created according to the device coordinates. And then third point, it is a region selected from the real world, and it is graphically controlled thing, and it is composed of visual areas along with the sum of its program control with the help of the window decorations. Here that is it is selected from the real world, and it is a graphical thing. That is windows port is a graphical thing, and some of the programs are controlled with the help of the window decoration. And then in the viewport, here it is a region in the computer graphics which is a polygon viewing region. Here we have the some of the selected portions are defined as a viewport. Here that is a polygon viewing region. And then fourth point is the window port can be defined with the help of a G window statement. If we want to display or define something, we have to use the statement of G window. Like that, in the window port we have to define something, or we have to display something, we have to use the command of gport command. And then window to viewport transformation in the computer graphics with implementations. Window to viewport transformation is the process of transforming 2D world coordinate objects to device coordinates. Objects inside the world or clipping window are mapped to the viewport, which is in the area on the on screen where the world coordinates are mapped to the display. Here we have the diagrammatic representation, that is window and then viewport, that is world coordinate and the device coordinate. Next one, world coordinate. It is the Cartesian coordinate. We can write as which we define in the diagram like x w minimize and maximize, and then w minimize and maximize for the x and y coordinates. And then device coordinate. It is the screen coordinate where the objects are to be displayed like xv min and the minimum and the maximum, like for that y coordinates. And then window, it is the area and the world coordinate selected for the display. And then viewport, it is the area and the device coordinate where the graphic is to be displayed. Thank you.